So this pound dollar analysis for Monday the 2nd of July. Now let's just have a look at different prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we've seen prices head slightly above this 31.93, traded above the 132. Didn't quite get towards that 132.20, from which we have seen a failure, breaking below the 93 and at 31.47, and we do see poised for a test of that 39.3. We can find support at 39.3, looking for a move back up towards that 31.47 or possibly that 31.93, and if there is sufficient volatility, 32.20. If, however, we do fail to hold support in around the 30.93, we were looking for moves down towards that 30.37 here on the pound against the dollar. Failing to hold support at the 30.37, we are then looking for prices start to head towards the 130 before possibly down towards that 129.83 here on the pound against the dollar. What we'll do now is we'll have a brief look here at the monthly chart. We get the scaling on here correct, and as we can see here on the monthly chart, we've had this strong move to the upside, had a consolidation. We've seen sell side momentum persist in the market. Posted a bit of a doji but a bearish one for last month, and we do appear to be having some follow through to the downside. So again, we'll look to see if we do hold support in around that 30.37 or that 130 for possibly a move back to the upside. And let's just have a look at the weekly time frame, if we can get this. So on this weekly time frame of the pound against the dollar, again we've had a bit of a double top in around that 143. So a pretty sharp sell side momentum, brief pullback, and further sell side momentum here to the downside. So we've had a pretty persistent trend to the downside here on the pound against the dollar. So again, we'll look to see if we do hold support in around this consolidative area in around that 130.37. Failure to do that, and we're looking possibly prices head down towards the high to mid 20s here on the pound against the dollar. And we'll have a look at it finally at the daily chart. And on this daily chart, we can see here we've had a sharp sell-off, consolidation, further sell-off, brief pullback, further sell-side momentum, another pullback, sell-side momentum again. And again, we appear to be testing that 400 period moving average on the daily chart, as well as that 31.47. We've actually traded below that now as well. Had pretty strong sell-side momentum, so we'll look to see if we do head all the way down towards that 130.37 for a true test of that level, and failing that, we're possibly looking for prices to head towards our 130 or possibly below here on the pound against the dollar. But with that said, that pretty much wraps up the pound dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.